Welcome to Norway, a land where nature still rules, where silence speaks louder than words, and where every moment feels untouched by time. From the deep blue fjords to snow-covered mountains, Norway is one of the last truly wild places on Earth. Here, nature is not just a destination, it is a way of life. As the morning mist rises over the fjords, the world awakens slowly. Calm waters reflect towering cliffs, creating scenes that look almost unreal. These ancient fjords were carved by glaciers thousands of years ago, leaving behind dramatic landscapes that continue to inspire travelers from around the world. In this untouched wilderness, wildlife lives freely. Majestic moose roam quietly through the forests. Reindeer move gracefully across the Arctic tundra, and powerful eagles soar high above the mountains. Along the rugged coastline, seals rest on rocky shores, while whales travel through the cold, deep waters. Every season brings new life, new stories, and new wonders. During summer, the midnight sun lights up the land for endless days. Golden light touches the mountains and valleys, turning Norway into a dreamlike paradise. Waterfalls flow with incredible power. Green valleys come alive, and the air feels pure and refreshing. This is a time of adventure, of hiking, kayaking, and discovering hidden places far away from the noise of the modern world. As winter arrives, Norway transforms. Snow blankets the land, turning forests and villages into a magical wonderland. The silence becomes deeper, the air colder, and the beauty even more powerful.